as an interview over there, and what information you'd like to share with us?
Sir, I applied for Coast Guard for technical entry in SSB. And sir,
Can you start with my name is this?
sir, my name is Anand Kumar Singh. My father's name is Major Alok Prakash. He's retired from army and currently working in bank as a senior manager security. My mother, Srimati Deepa, is a homemaker. And I completed my 10th from Gyan Niketan Patna. Scored distinction in 4 subjects. And then I went to DAV BSAB when I completed my 12th. After that, I went to Manipal University for engineering studies, and I completed my engineering in 2013. And after that, I've been looking for a job. I was preparing for competitive examinations for engineering examination as well as PSUs, and by sides, I was also giving SSBs for armed forces. And then I got a call for SSB in Coast Guard, sir, wherein I went there. My Coast Guard was held in Noida, FSB Center of Coast Guard, sir. And, sir, the schedule was of 5 days, sir. The first.
Before that, you were for PIB, pre-interview board.
Yes, sir. I was.
And even at the time, even you joined this institution.
Yes, I joined this institution before. I was actually the Coast Guard SSB. Schedule is divided into 2 parts. The first screening part is initially held 2 months before the final selection board is happening. So I joined when I got called for PSV. I joined Commandant Academy when I was trained by Mr. Sudhir Kumar sir.
That is me. So you can directly say that yes.
Yes, sir. By you, sir. And I was told on minute details of SSB on how to show your conduct there, how to answer questions, how to sit and give your interview, what all gestures, what all points you should put forward, what way you should look into yourself, explore yourself, what all points you should be ready with, because that can be asked to you in interview at any point of time. So
now, do you think that institutional training is good for a student who are aspirant of SSB type of examination?
Yes, sir. I firmly believe that institutional training is good, because institutional training, if that is a very tricky question here, sir, because the institutional training, if used to bring out the real self of one and to attend SSB, is very good, sir. And because in institutional training, most of us guys, we don't explore ourselves, we don't do an introspection into ourselves, what we like, what are our hobbies, what is our way of thinking, and what are our strong point, weak points. So such things need to be looked into. You must do an introspection, and you must explore out what your real self is, what is your real aptitude, what is your attitude, and you must frame out your psychological test and any questions which will come out in the interview as per your temperament. And
so now, do you think that your decision was correct to join this academy for your interviews?
Yes, sir. I firmly believe that my decision was very good, and I got.
In which section you feel that the institution helps you to improve that quality?
Sir, I think the institution helps you most in the subject which it helps you the most is psychology, sir, because it is the trickiest part, and you have to maintain a congruency between your psychology, your performance in GT, as well as your interview. You should not be whatever you're writing in your psychology, that must be similar to what you are doing in ground or what you are saying in interview. So for that thing, sir, you need to be trained in psychology. I'm not saying whatever your actual self is there, that needs to be explored, and for that you need a good exposure, you need a good test system in which you can write, and you can certain questions will arise, certain things which will compel you to think over it, and probably that will take time, like 1 month or 2 months, and during that course of time you will come out with an appropriate answer.
So Anand, what do you feel that what type of suggestion you have for your juniors or those students who are preparing for such type of examination?
Sir, first of all, for SSB, sir, that hichkichahat which everybody has in talking to others, that should be forgotten. One must believe in oneself that whatever I am doing, it's mine. I am confident with that, and I am confident enough to put it before others. One should not be hesitant to say their view. Secondly, honesty is there. Honesty is something which you need in SSB, because the interviewers, the assessors there are very experienced. You cannot come out with a lie there. They'll cross-question you, and they'll lure out the truth from you. And once that lie is detected there, then you will be punished. Not punished, but you can be sure that your selection is not sure there. So honesty, confidence, and yes, you must explore yourself on what your likes, dislikes, what are your hobbies, what subjects you like, what teachers you like, what kind of friends you have, why do you have why do you like a friend which you have, what qualities you don't like in friend. Such things will in a way are reflection of your psychology. So these things need to be prepared very well in advance. You must give time to that, so that whatever you are preparing in this part comes handy with comes in resonance with your psychology. Whatever you are written in psychology, that must be same as what you think about what you think about your friends, what you think about yourself. So I think these things need to be prepared well.
So you wanted to share your success to whom and how many of yours in your surrounding?
Sir, I told everybody around my house, sir, about my success. Especially, I first informed my father. My mother was sitting beside him, so she obviously got to know. I informed my friends. I came here to inform you, sir, because you had a very big contribution in this test of mine, sir. I informed my friends.